Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a safe copy and turning on Show/Hide to reveal markup so you can act deliberately. Once done, disable track changes or accept all visible changes for a clean baseline. This prevents new markup from accumulating. Next, inspect comments and content controls visually and list what you must preserve versus remove. Make sure to keep a backup copy. You will revert if needed. This initial cleanup sets the stage for systematic removal without losing important content. Now you target comments and tracked edits directly. Use the Review tab to delete all comments, then use Accept All Changes or step through Accept/Reject to preserve intentional edits. Once visible edits are handled, run File Info Check for issues Inspect Document to remove hidden metadata, headers, footers, and embedded data. Make sure to review the inspection results before applying removals. Clearing these elements ensures markup no longer hides in document properties or off-page content. Finish by normalizing styles and removing residual markup. Select all and apply the normal style, or use clear formatting for paragraphs that keep unwanted marks. If structural markup persists, copy the content into plain text, Notepad, to strip everything, then paste back and reapply clean styles. This is why you kept a backup. Once done, save a final copy. If something goes wrong, restore the backup and repeat selective steps. Accept changes and remove comments first to avoid repeating full conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.